Active Directory Enumeration. Typically, an attack against Active Directory infrastructure begins with a successful exploit or a client-side attack against either a domain workstation or server, followed by enumeration of the AD environment. Once we have established a foothold, the goal is to escalate our privilege level until we gain control of one or more domains. There are several ways to accomplish this. Within AD, administrators use groups to assign permissions to member users, which means that we would target high-value groups. If we compromise a member of the domain admins group, we would gain complete control of every single computer in the domain. Another way to gain control of a domain is to successfully compromise a domain controller, since it can be used to modify all domain-joined computers or execute applications on them. As we will see later, the domain controller contains all the password hashes of every single domain user account. As we work through this module, we'll walk through a variety of AD enumeration and exploitation techniques to demonstrate a typical domain compromise. We'll focus on techniques specifically designed to enumerate and exploit AD users and groups. To do so, we'll assume that we have already obtained access to the Windows 10 workstation, and that we have compromised the OffSec domain user, which is also a member of the local administrator group for a domain-joined workstation. Our first goal will be to enumerate the domain users and learn as much as we can about their group memberships in order to find high-value targets. To do this, we'll use several tools and techniques, many of which can be performed without administrative access.